Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to know we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in JavaScript. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to know we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in JavaScript. Okay, and guys, just using vanilla JavaScript, we are going to build an awesome, dynamic, and cool application in this video, in this session as well. Okay, so guys, if you are new to JavaScript and if you are learning JavaScript in 2026, and guys, if you aspire to become a great and dynamic JavaScript developer in coming future in 2026, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this entire video if you want to become a great and dynamic JavaScript developer in coming future in 2026. Okay, because guys, I'm going to discuss about the basics of JavaScript. Okay, so guys, if you want to become a great and dynamic JavaScript developer, then guys, you must have cleared, you must have a very strong foundation of JavaScript basics. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session, I'm going to talk about the basics of JavaScript, and using vanilla JavaScript, we are going to build an awesome, dynamic, cool application as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now, and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features and all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we're going to learn, and today what we're going to create in this video, in this session, using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, now let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using just purely vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, here we can see the heading also, awesome JavaScript tutorial, and below we can see the level also, and the three number to see the next three positive numbers. Okay, so guys, we have to only enter here number. Okay, we won't be able to accept here the string or the text. We won't be able to accept here the negative number. We won't be able to accept here the negative 0 as well. Okay, but guys, 0 is allowed because 0 is a positive number, so we have to show the next three number of 0, which is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and here is the text input field. We are going to enter the data, we are going to enter the number, then only we will be able to see the three next positive number of the given number. Okay, and guys, here is the button. We can see the text of this button as well. See the next three positive numbers. Okay, so guys, here string and text are not allowed. Okay, here negative number not allowed. Here minus 0 is also not allowed. We are only allowed to enter the positive numbers only. Okay, this is it. Okay, and guys, now let me just give you few demo as well. Okay, so guys, you can see here the full web development tutorials is also coming. Okay, so guys, I'm going to build a full web development tutorial using vanilla JavaScript. Okay, we will be able to create the landing page, we will be able to create the contact us page, we will be able to guys do each and everything just using vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, if you want to become a great and dynamic UI developer, front-end developer, or web developer, then guys, you must subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and guys, you must press the bell icon as well, and don't forget to guys share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so guys, now let me just give you the few demo as well. Okay, so guys, like I told you, we won't be able to allow here the negative number, we won't be able to allow here the text or the string, we won't be able to allow here the minus 0 as well, but 0 is allowed because 0 is a positive number, so we will be able to see the next three positive number of 0, which is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, So guys, now let me just put here, let me just give you some demo as well. Okay, so guys, let me just put here some string first, or the text, and now hit the button, see the next three positive numbers. Okay, so just click the button. Now you can see here, please enter a valid number. Okay, so we won't be able to enter a string or text. We won't be able to enter the negative numbers as well. Okay, so let me just put here now -0. Okay, so now click the button. You can see here -0 is not allowed. Okay, so let's just put here the combination of number and the text as well. Okay, and now hit the button. You can see here, please enter a valid number only. We are only allowed to enter the positive number. Okay, so now I am going to give the positive number as well. Okay, so let's just put here 3. See, boom guys, you can see here, here is the great and dynamic feature of this application. Okay, you can see here, here are the next three positive numbers of 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, let's just put here 0, which is 30, and let's just hit the button, see the next three positive numbers. You can see here, this is the feature, this is the dynamic feature of this application. Okay, and here is the result, here is the output of this application. Okay, of this number, which is 30. Okay, so here are the next three positive numbers of 30, which is 31, 32 and 33. Okay, we won't be able to allow here the negative. Okay, hit the button. Now you can see, please enter a valid number. Okay, let's just give you a equal to. We can, guys, okay, check everything is working perfectly fine. Everything is very dynamic and very perfectly created. Okay, using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so let's just hit the button, see the next three positive numbers. You can see here, please enter a valid number. Okay, we won't be able to write any like a combination of string or text or equal to minus, nothing. Okay, only the positive numbers are allowed. Okay, so let's just put here this number 887 and hit the button, see the next three positive numbers. You can see here the feature and the dynamic feature of this application. Okay, here are the next three positive numbers of 887, which is 888 99, I mean 889 890. Okay, so we want to put here negative number. See, only positive number which is greater than 0 allowed. Okay, so let's just put here the, okay, equal to, double equal to and 0. Now hit the button. See, please enter a valid number. Okay, so you can see, guys, I have given here the this feature also. Okay, I'll show you how to create, okay, this feature. Okay, so guys, this is called as the confetti. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm not, okay, spelling it in a correct way, but this is called as the confetti. Okay, and this is the feature I have given. This is the feature I have provided using the JavaScript, okay, framework. Okay, and I will also explain you, I'll also teach you how to integrate, how to provide this feature in any kind of your simple or any kind of your vast JavaScript application, React application, Vue application, or the Angular application as well. Okay, so you can see here, this is great application, this is great feature of this, okay, simple application. Okay, so it is only going to we are, guys, we are going to only see this feature whenever our result is correct, whenever the number is only positive. Okay, you can see here. So let's just, okay, let's just put here any number or a string. We won't be able to see this feature. Okay, you can see, please enter a valid number. Now put here the correct number, which is the 90. Okay, so now hit the button. You can see here, we can see here this feature, this confetti feature. Here are the next three positive numbers of 90, which is 91, 92, 93. Okay, so guys, this is all about this application, okay, which I have built using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, now let's get it started and let's learn and let's build this application. This is, guys, very simple, very dynamic application I have just built using vanilla JavaScript. Okay, and guys, this is perfectly simple. This is, guys, very simple application. I have just built this application to give the foundation, to clear the doubts of JavaScript basics. Okay, so guys, now let's get it started and let's learn. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all, guys, please, guys, subscribe now my this channel, code with ER, and please, guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. And please guys, don't forget to like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, JavaScript, Angular, Vue, and whatnot. Okay, so guys, just subscribe now my this channel, code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and do like this video also. And please don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. And guys, I'm going to trust you, I'm going to count on you that you will subscribe now my this channel, code with ER. Okay, and you will like this video as well. Okay, so guys, now we'll go to the sublime, okay, text. Guys, I'm going to use here the sublime text. Okay, and let me just create here the new file first. Okay, so I'm going to create here new file as a tutorial, uh, tutorial in JavaScript. Okay, dot html. So save the page first. I'm very sorry, inside the coding folder which is on the desktop. Okay, this is it. Let me just write here the structure of html. Hit enter. I'll just say here JavaScript tutorial. Okay, JavaScript tutorial. And guys, let me just guys, okay, copy the links of, okay, bootstrap links or any links, okay, which is there in the example. Okay, so just come here and I'll just copy this, okay, entire things from here. Okay, I'm going to copy this entire things from here. Okay, and let me just paste it here below this title tag. This is it. And now I'm going to create here one, let me just use here the container class, okay, which is the predefined classes in bootstrap. Okay, so I'll just say here container. This is it. Let's just close this div now. Okay, and let me just create here first what can I say, the heading of this page. I'll just say here close this, and I'll just say here text center. This is it. And let me just inside this div, I'll create here one h1 element as well. I'll just say here what is the text. Okay, I'll just say here copy this text from here and just paste it here. Okay, so this is it. As of now, just save the file and open this file in a browser. So right click here, open in browser. Here it is. Awesome JavaScript tutorial. This is it. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create this input field, this button, and okay, all the things. Okay, very quickly. Okay, this is it. So now inside this div, I'm going to create here another div. Okay, and let me just give you the classes as well. I'll just say here margin top 4, margin bottom I'll also give you 4. This is it. Let's just close this div. Inside this div, I'm going to create here one level element as well. Okay, so level I'll create here. I'll give the classes as well. I mean margin top 2 and margin bottom 2 also I'll give here. I'll just close this okay level very quickly. So let me just go to the example. Let me just copy this level from here. In this way we will be able to save a lot of time as well. Okay, so come here and just paste it here. This is it. Below this level I'm going to create here the text input field as well. So let's just say here input. I'll give the type text. Okay, type I'll give you a text. I'll give you the placeholder as a please. Okay, enter. Please enter a positive. Okay, positive number. This is it. Let's just give you the class as well, which is the defined bootstrap classes. I'll just say here form control. Form control. This is it. And I'll just give you the one ID also, so that we can target this input field using JavaScript. Okay, I'll just say here user input. Okay, user input. This is it. Okay, this is it guys. And now inside this okay input field also I'm going to create here one button as well, so that user can click the button to see the next three positive numbers of the given number. Okay, so just button. First of all, let's just close this. I will just say here, let me just go to the example first. So see the next three positive numbers is the string of the button. See the next three positive positive numbers of okay positive numbers. This is it. Okay, I'll give the class as well to this button. So I'll just say here class btn. I'll just say here warning. This is it. Okay, btn warning. Let's just cancel this, save this file, and see the output in the browser. So come here, refresh this page. So here it is, the input field and the button. So I will just give here the margin top 3 and margin bottom 3 as well. Save this file. I have a look in the browser. Here it is. Okay, so this looks cool now. Okay, this is the example, and this is what we have built. Okay, so now let me just now I'll just copy this string as well from here. So I have to define, guys, each and everything. Okay, so that will exactly look like a example. Okay, so let me just give you the class. Let me just close this div very quickly. I'll just say here text center. This is it. Let me just come here one more time, and I will just paste it here. This is string, and for the heart icon, guys, I'll go to the example. Okay, so this is the example. I'll come here and I'll just copy this. Okay, let's just, guys, copy this entire footer. Okay, this is only just the simple string, just the simple text. Okay, let's just remove this and I'll explain you, don't worry. Okay, so guys, this is the footer. This is just a div with the class footer. Okay, and here is the p element. Here is the p element created with, okay, er and full web development tutorials are coming soon. Okay, this is it. So guys, just save the file. I'll just give you the text center as well. Save the file, have a look in the browser now. So just come here and refresh this page. This is it. Okay, this looks cool now. So why not, guys, do here one thing. Okay, let's just make here h2. Okay, so that it will be a little bold. Okay, so yeah, this looks cool now. I'll just make this h3 as well. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So here it is. Okay, this is it, guys. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to write the so guys, below this div, I'm going to create here one script. Okay, a tag element as well. Okay, so I'll just use here document dot add event listener. Okay, so guys, I'm going to add the event listener to the entire document. Okay, so guys, I am going to add the event listener. It can be anything. It can be DOM content loaded. It can be function. It can be any click method as well. Okay, so guys, I'm going to add the document. Okay, I'm going to add the event to the entire document. Okay, to the entire document. Okay, add event listener. Okay, so guys, what is the event, guys? I'm going to attach the event this. Okay, dom content loaded. Okay, dom content loaded. Okay, so guys, it is going to, okay guys, it is going to wait for the html to load. Okay, okay, like completely. It is not going to wait for the images. It is not going to wait for the css to be loaded. Okay, it is going to just wait for the HTML to be loaded. Okay, it is going to wait only for the HTML to be loaded. Okay, it is not going to wait for the CSS or the images to be loaded as well. Okay, just it is going to wait for the HTML to be loaded. Okay, and then this JavaScript function will start executing. This JavaScript function will start working. Okay, very smoothly and very, okay, what can I say, what can I say, what can I say, easily. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'll just create here one function as well. Function, this is it. Okay, so let's just put here. So let's just close this. So let me just check what is the, okay, is this function is spelling okay? So it's function, this is it. Okay, so let's just now open this, and now I'm going to create here one const. Okay, inside this, when this document is loaded, I'm going to create here one const. Okay, so const, I'll just say here input input value. Okay, input value, and I'll just use here document dot query selector. And guys, we have to give here this, okay, id of this input field. Okay, we have to give here the id of this input field. which is user input. Okay, so let me just copy this very carefully, copy it from here, and now let's just put here hash, because this is the id, so we have to put here hash. Okay, if it would have been a class, we have to put here dot. Okay, so guys, if this would be a class, we have to put here dot. Okay, this is it. Okay, but this is the single element, just a one input field. Okay, so that's why I've given here the id. Okay, you can also select this input field using the class as well. Okay, this is it, there is no issue at all. Okay, so now I'm going to create here one function first. I'm going to create here one function. Okay, so guys, let me just create here one function first. Okay, this function is known as the helper function. Okay, so I'll just create here helper function. Okay, helper function, this is it. Okay, so I'll just create here one function which is the helper function, and I'll just say here function, I'll give the function name as a show alert. Okay, this is it. I'll put here some parameter as well. The first parameter is message. Okay, the first parameter is message, and I'll give you the second parameter as well, which is the type. Okay, so I'll give the default value of this type parameter as well, and the default value of this type parameter is danger. Okay, this is the predefined classes. This is the predefined class in Bootstrap. Okay, this is it. Okay, and here is the first parameter of this function, so show alert, which is message, and this is the second parameter of this function show alert, which is type, and I have given here the default value of this parameter, which is danger. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now inside this open and closing curly braces, I'm going to create here one const. Okay, I'm going to create here one const, and now first of all, I'll just put here one div as well. I'm going to create here one div. Okay, to show the result. Okay, you can see here, go to the example first. You can see here I'm showing you the result as well. So guys, this is the result. Okay, I'm showing here. Okay, so let me just put here some string or the text as well. You can see here I have shown you the alert also. For the result. Okay, this is it. This is it. Okay, and now I'll give the say here, give your result, or create here one id as well with the same result. Okay, close this div. This is it. So now I'm going to grab this div using this id result, copy this. So I'll just say here, what can I give the variable name? I will just give you the result as well. Okay, equal to document dot query selector. Okay, so this is it. Let's just put here hash, because this is the id I'm gonna use here. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now what I'll do here, I'll just define here the text. Okay, because you can see here, this is the message parameter and this is the type parameter. This we have to give, this we have to give whenever we have to call this function show alert. Okay, so we have to provide this message parameter, and this is the default value of this type parameter. If we are okay to give this, we are also okay to skip this to okay, what can I say, not to give this. Okay, because I have given here the default parameter of this type. Okay, a default value of this type parameter, which is danger. Okay, we can skip this and we can give this as well, but but this message parameter is necessary, is compulsory. We have to give this message parameter, and this type is the uh, very flexible, very lenient. We can give it and we can skip it as well. Okay, because I have given you the default value of this parameter type, which is danger. Okay, this is it. So by default this danger value will be used whenever we will call this function show alert. Okay, so guys, by default this danger value of this, okay, type, okay, a parameter will be used whenever we will call this function show alert. Okay, this is it. Okay, we can give this also, we can give this also, but we can give, we have to give this. This is the compulsory, this is the mandatory parameter, but this type parameter is very flexible, very lenient. We can give it or we can also skip it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now what I'll do here, I'll just say here result dot inner html. Okay, inner html equal to, I'll use here the backtick. Okay, I'll use here the backtick. So this is the backtick. Let's just close this first, and inside this backtick I'll use here one div. Okay, so just create here div. I'll give the class also to this div. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'll just close this div very quickly. So I'll just give you the classes as well. I can give you alert. I can give you alert, and I can give you the this type as well using dollar and open and closing curly braces. So use this parameter type to define the dynamic alert to this. Like I showed you like this. So here is the green. Here is the green. You just put here something like this. You can see here now the alert type is danger. So we can define this alert type as many types as we want to define. This is it type parameter. Using this type parameter, we can define any kind of alert. We can show any kind of alert as well. This is very flexible. This is very lenient. This is it. So let's just put here. I'll give you the another classes as well. I can give you the another classes. I'll give you a fade. I'll give you a fade, and I can give you the show. And I can give you the alert animate as well. Animate. This is it. And now open this div. Inside this div, now I'll show this message only, this message parameter what user will enter as a parameter, as a value of this message parameter we will show. So like this is it. So guys, this is it. We have defined our helper function. So guys, this is the helper function. This is it. So now guys, I'm going to define here the main function of this application. I'm going to define here the main function of this application as well. So now let me just give here one id to this button as well. So I'll give you the id. It's not if, it's id equal to, I'll just give here this warning button only. So copy this and just paste it here. This is it. So I'll just grab this button using this id of this button. So that's why I have given here the id to this button as well. So copy this, and now below this I'm going to define here the main function of this application. I'll just say here document dot query selector So this is the id. So let's just put here what can I say, the hash. This is it. And now I'll just add here the event listener as well to this button, on this button as well, using this add event listener. And now we have to give here the click event. I'm going to attach here the click event. I'll define here one function when the button will be clicked. So let me just now define this. So now what I'll do here, I'll just grab this user input field as well using this id. So let me just or we have defined here. So let's just why not why to define it one more time. We have already defined here. So we've already defined here. So now come here, and inside this I'll just say here const, I can say here user input. User input like this equal to, I'll just I'm going to convert this user input in number using this number. So this is it. Let's just close this, and now let me just pick this input value from here. And I'm very sorry. So this is the input field, guys. So it must have a value property as well. So we have to give here value property as well. And now let me just first of all let me just alert this to you, so that we will able to see if they're getting anything from this input field or not. So let's just save it here and just save this file. And now let me just refresh this page. So put here anything. See, boom, guys, you can see here not a number. So we have to provide here the only number, then it will give us true. It won't show any alerts now. See, this is the number. See, this is number. And now let me just put here any string. You can see not a number, so it is compulsory, it is mandatory to provide here the number only. This is it. So guys, now this is it. So come here, I will just remove this alert. It is going to disturb us again and again. So I'm very sorry, guys. So I'll just use here the if condition to check the condition. I'm going to use here, guys, if condition to check the condition. So I'll just say here this input value dot value, and I'm going to trim the white spaces. I'm going to trim the white spaces. So in this way we will be able to also handle the white spaces which user might enter. Okay, so I'll just use here the trim method to trim the white spaces. Okay, so like this. Or now I'm going to check the is not number as well using is not. Okay, is not a number. Okay, and now I'll just give you the this user input, copy this from here and just paste it here. This is it. And now, okay, and now you can see guys, I have used here, I have created here this helper function, show alert. So let me just copy this. Okay, and let me just copy this entire thing from here, then only you will be able to get it. Okay, so just paste it here, copy this one more time, and just paste it here. So let me just give you some space. So we have to give guys we have to define here one message, and we have to define here the type, okay, parameter as well. So I'm going to use here backtick to define the message. Okay, I'm going to use here the backtick to define the message. I'll just say here please, okay, please enter a valid, please enter a valid, please enter a valid number. Okay, this is it. And now I'll define here the type as a let it be as a Ranger only. So this is the first parameter and this is the second parameter. Okay, just close this. And now I'll just say here input, okay, input value dot value. I will just remove everything from the input field. Okay, I'll just remove everything from the input field. So close this, and I'll just say here input value dot focus. So I'll just focus on the input field as well. This is it, and I'll just do nothing. So let's just say here return. Okay, I'll do nothing. So let's just say here return. Okay, this is it. Save the file and have a look in the browser first. So now put here any string or something like this. You can see here please enter a valid number. You can see here please enter a valid number. So guys, I'm going to copy the simple css from the example only. Guys, I'm going to copy this, okay, very simple css from this example only, from this example only. So let's just come to the example first, and I'm going to copy this simple css. You can just pause the video and you can just have a look on this simple css as well. Okay, this is pretty simple, this is pretty straightforward css I have just written. So let me just paste it here. This is it. You can just pause the video and you can just go through this. Okay, so this is the root. I have defined here the primary color. I have defined here this secondary color. I have defined here the accent color as well. I have defined here the light color as well. I have defined here the dark color as well. But this is not needed now. You can see this is the body, font, family, background. Okay, min, height, padding is the. I have given here the alert animate file. You can see here this is the class. Here is the class I have defined here. Okay, show alert animate is the class I've defined here, and I've used here alert animate, and I've given here the keyframe slide fade. Okay, you can see here, okay, slide fade. So let me just use here the slide fade as well. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is I have given here alert animate. This is it. Okay, so let me just go to the example now. So refresh this page one more time and put here any string or any number like this, combination of a string and number. So hit the button. Okay, so let me just check what is the issue here, why our class is not being applied. So it's okay. So it's okay. Fade, show, alert, animate, and I can give here the role as well. Okay, so put here role as a alert. Okay, so alert. This is it. So now let me just check one more time. I hope this will work now. So no, this is not working. So let me just check what is the issue here. So it's okay, you can see here there is a spelling mistake. It's alert. Okay, so put here alert. Okay, so now save the file, have a look in the browser. So now put here any number or string. Yeah, this is doing great guys, this is doing great now. So I'll just I want the string in the center, so I'll just say here text center as well. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So let's just put here number or string, anything like this. Yeah, please enter a valid number. I'll just use here the icon guys also. I want the icon as well. this okay warning icon I want to use as well. So copy this warning icon from here, and I'll just put here this. Okay, so save the file, have a look at the browser now. So now put here any string. You can see here please enter a valid number, and this is the warning icon as well. Okay, this is doing great, guys. This is doing great. Okay, so now guys we will just check the okay. So guys I'm going to check the -0 as well. Let me just put here the comment for you guys. Okay, so I'll just say here check for check for empty or invalid invalid okay string. This is it. And now below this I'll just say here check for check for -0. Okay, I'm going to guys check here the -0 as well. So -0 I want to allow, okay, I only want to allow user to enter the positive number. Okay, only positive number is allowed. No string, no -0, no equal to, no minus, no combination of a string or number. Only simple positive numbers are allowed. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'll just use here if okay I'll just use here the object. Okay, object dot is okay object dot is, and I'll just use this user input. This is the first parameter of this function object dot is. And guys we have to check here with the -0. Okay, with the -0 we have to check here this input field. Okay guys, with this -0 we have to check this input field which user will enter into this text input field. Okay, if it is -0, if it is -0 we won't allow this, we won't allow to enter the user -0, and we won't show the three positive number of this -0 as well. Okay, so no -0 is allowed. Okay, this is it. So this is like this. So now I'll just copy entire thing from here, because this is the very simple and it will save a little bit of time as well. Okay, so this is the helper function show alert. I'll define the message as well here as well. I'll just say here negative. Okay, I'll just say here negative. Okay, negative. Okay, so let me just do this. Okay, so like this, not allowed. Okay, not allowed. This is it. And I can give you the warning. I can say here the I can what can I say, I can say here secondary. Okay, to just to show you I can give you the secondary. Okay, this is it. So now just save the file, have a look in the browser first. So refresh this page first and put here -0, hit the button. See, you can see here -0 not allowed. Okay, so what can I can say here like this. So let's just put here -0. You can see here -0 not allowed. Okay, so okay, -0 is not allowed. And let's just give you a -0. So I'll change this. Okay, a background color of this alert as well. So it is secondary. Let's just make it here. What can I say, guys? I can say here, I'm very sorry, I can say here danger only. So let's just save danger only. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. So let's just give you a -0. Yeah, you can see here -0 not allowed. Let's just put here a string. You can see here please enter a valid number. Okay, please enter a valid number, please enter a valid number. Okay, and I can say here string. Okay, strings are not allowed. This is it. Okay, this is it. So let's just save the refresh the page, put here any string. See, please enter a valid number. Strings are not allowed. Okay, this is it. Let's just put here -0. Okay, see, -0 not allowed. Okay, this is it. Okay, so this is it. This is it, guys. So now I'll just check for the number. Okay, I will just check for the right number as well. Okay, so now if okay, what can I say, if a user is going to enter any number like this, then also we will show the alert. Okay, then also we will show the alert. Okay, so let's just copy this. I'll just say here if okay, if this user input, okay, if this user input if this user input is less than 0, okay, is less than 0, which is negative number, okay, if less than 0, which is negative number, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, but 0 will be allowed, okay, but 0 will be allowed because inside the JavaScript, okay, 0 inside JavaScript, 0 less than 0 is less than 0 0 is okay, what can I say, it is false, okay, it is false, okay, so this is why 0 will be allowed, okay, this is why 0 will be allowed, okay, so I can say here 0 0 will be allowed because 0 is a positive number, okay, because 0 0 is a positive number, okay, so that's why we will allow user to enter 0 as well, okay, so that's why we will allow the user to enter the 0 as well, okay, so he or she won't be able to enter the negative number, okay, but 0 is allowed, okay, this is it, okay, so let me just copy everything from here, this is quite similar, okay, so let's just paste it here, and I'll just say here what can I say, only I can say here only positive numbers are allowed, this is it, so let's just remove everything from here, okay, and I want to change the, okay, so guys, why not do here one thing, go to the Google, and I can just say here bootstrap, okay, alert classes, okay, so that we can see what is the classes of the, okay, so here it is, I'll just use here alert warning, and alert danger is here, alert secondary is here also, and alert dark I'll use here, copy this dark from here, and I'll just paste here dark, save the file, and this is it, so come here and go to the exam, I mean this is the what we have built now, so now let's just put here negative number, hit the button now, you can see only positive numbers are allowed, and see at the same time we are also able to change the background color of this alert as well, okay, using this helper function, using this helper function we are able to change the background color of this alert as well, guys, using this, okay, helper function we can, okay, do things very dynamically, very, okay, what can I say, interestingly, okay, so you can see here we will be able to change this alert as well, so instead of, okay, I will just use here the, what can I say, info, so use this info for this, okay, danger, because I have used here danger one time, so I'll just use here info, okay, so info, so copy this info from here and just paste it here, this info, save the file, and for the negative number, for the negative 0 I'll show the alert as a info only, just save the file, and now just refresh this page, and I'll put here negative 0, see here is the info background color of this bootstrap alert as well, so see how dynamic and how cool our application is, okay, so guys, this is it, so now guys, we have defined here the, we have checked here the empty or the invalid string also, we have checked here for the negative 0, and we have checked here the for the negative number, but 0 is allowed because 0 is a positive number, and inside the JavaScript this is going to give you false, okay, so that's why we will allow user to enter 0 because 0 is a positive number, okay, this is it, so guys, now if everything is okay, if user has passed all this, okay, what can I say, condition or constraint, okay, if user has passed all these conditions or constraint, which means user has given here some positive number, okay, which means user has given here some positive number, now we will show the result to the user, okay, which means guys, if this is going to clear, if this if is clear, if this if is clear, if this if is clear, which means user has given here positive number, we must show the result to the user, we must show the next three number of the given number to the user as well. Okay, so I am going to do that now. Okay, because the user has given here the positive number, so B must show him or her the next three positive number of the given number by the user. Okay, this is it. So come to the code now, and now below this I'll just again use this okay function from here, show alert, which is the helper function. So now I'll just use this. So I'll just remove everything from here, and now I'll just say here. So here are here are the next okay, I can say here are the next uh, three three positive three positive numbers okay the of the given of the given okay. So use here like this of the given okay. So copy this user input of a, I'm very sorry, copy this of this okay number. So okay, so let's just give you a colon, and let me just copy this, and I'll show the next okay three positive number. So put comma here, put comma here also, and put comma here also, and I'll just add here one, I'll add here two, I'll add here three. Okay, this is it. And now instead of dark okay, let me just okay, as of now let it be just dark here, let it be just dark here. Okay, as of now let me just refresh this page, put here negative a positive number 76. Now hit the button, you can see here is the okay, here are the next three positive numbers of the given number 76, 77, 78, and 79. Okay, so now guys I'm going to change the background color of this alert. Okay, I'm going to change this background color of this alert as well. So let me just instead of dark I'll give you a success. Okay, I'll give you a success. This is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. Let's just put here 30 or give you a 90 anything. So now we can see here, here is the different background color of this alert. Okay, here are the next three positive numbers of given number, given I'll say here given number okay of given number 90, 91, 92, 93. So refresh this page one more time, put here 30 or 40. Okay, here are the next three positive numbers of the given number 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay, this is it. Let me just I can guys okay do here one thing. I can just guys go to this okay, and I'll just use here okay. So I want here okay, so give here h4. So now let me just put here, yeah, this looks cool now. Little bigger text okay, little bigger text, little bigger string. Okay, so this is the clearly visible, this is easily visible as well. Okay, here are the next okay three positive numbers of the given number 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, they just put here some string or the combination of string and text. The valid number strings are not allowed. Okay, they just put here minus okay 0, you can see negative 0 not allowed as well. Okay, at the same time. Okay, and now guys I'm going to provide this okay feature, this confetti feature. Okay, this confetti feature I'm going to provide now. Okay guys, now I'm going to provide this confetti feature now okay to our code as well. So now come here, I'm going to define here one function. Okay, so I'm going to define here one function. So guys, first of all let me just go to the example. I'll just copy this okay like cdn url from here, and let me just paste it here. I'm going to define here one script element tag as well. So this is it, and now I'll just use here the date.now function to check the I mean the very I mean the to check the current okay date from the system. Okay, using system okay, I'm going to define here the one immediately invoke function. Guys, I'm going to define here one immediately invoke function. So first of all I'll just say here this function I'll give here start okay start rain. Okay, start rain, this is it. So now just close this, and now guys I'll just create here one const very quickly. So const I'll just say here and okay I'll just say here date, it's capital D, date dot now. So we will grab the current date from system, okay, using JavaScript, and we will okay, we will uh, get the next 3 second, okay, we will get the next 3 second, okay. So next 3 second we have to give here 3000, okay. So it will give us the 3 second, okay. I'll just say here 3 second time, okay, 3 second time. This is it. And now I'm going to define here the one immediately invoked function. So I'm going to define here one immediately invoked function with the function name as a rain, okay, as a rain. So guys, this is the immediately invoked function I'm going to define, okay. So now like this. So yeah, close this, and let's just, here it is closed, okay. So this is it. So now what I'll do here, I will, guys, let me just go to this, okay, confetti dot browser dot min. So I will just copy this. So copy this, and I hope I will be able to show you what it is all about. So here it is. So we can see only the code. So let me just, I hope I will be able to show you. Okay, so yeah, I'll give you the guys a link, okay, in the description. You can just go and you can just, okay, read this. Although I have shown you, so this is the, okay, what can I say, the GitHub link, okay. You can just come here and you can see here, you can see here the, here is the demo, okay. So you can see, run the demo, you can see, okay. So okay, so just now I've given you so many options. So many options. Okay, you can just come here and you can just use. Okay, so let me just refresh this page. Otherwise, it is going to consume my, okay, resources in the background. Okay, so this is it. So come now. I'll just define the confetti features now. I'll just I will just use here the, so I can just say here uh, confetti. So yeah, this is it. I was a little confused. Okay, so I'll give. So guys, now I'm going to define here. I'm going to put here some properties. Okay, of this confetti. Okay, of this confetti. Okay, like what can I say? This is the known as the, we can say here object. Okay, so now I'll just say here the uh, particle particle count. Okay, particle count. I'll say here particle count, put here comma, I mean the colon. Okay, so give here, you can give 6 7 8 9 up to, uh, it's only defined to you only. Okay, I'll just say here angle also. So angle, I'll give here 90 degree. You can change this according to your need, according to your requirement. Okay, and I can give here the spread also. It is going to spread. Okay, so I can give you a spread of 180. Okay, put here comma. I can give you the starts, okay, start velocity as well. Velocity, I can give you this start velocity 20. Put comma. I can give you the gravity as well. Gravity, put comma. I can give you gravity of 1. You can just increase this according to requirement. And just say here scalar as well. Scalar, I can say here scalar as 1 put comma. I can give you a decay value as well, so that it is going to decay, okay, after how much time. Okay, so I can just give you a 0.94, so it is going to decay after this time. Okay, and I can just say here z index as well, so that it will be visible on the page. Okay, z index, I can give you the index of 999. Okay, I can give you the origin also, from where it is going to originate. Okay, from where it is going to originate. Okay, origin I'll give you, so I'll just say here object of x and y. So I'll just say here x, I'll just use here math dot, I can just say here math dot random value. I'll use here random put comma, and I can use the y coordinator as well. So I can use here the y coordinator as a 0 0.1. This is it. Okay, and now I'll check. Okay, first of all I'll check here. So this confetti, let me just cut uh, confetti. So let me just cut this out from here, and so I'll use here as a immediately invoke function. So I hope everything is now clear. Okay, I hope there is no issue at all. Okay, so close this, and we'll just run it here. Okay, I'll just check. Okay, so now I'll just check. Okay, if if I'll just say here date, if date dot now, date dot now is less than, okay, this and, okay, it is going to work as a loop. Okay, it is going to work as a loop. Okay, so guys, if the current date is not right now, okay, which means okay, suppose if it's like 12, okay, it's like 12 30. Okay, so it will wait for the 12, okay, 33 second. Okay, it will wait for the 12:33. Okay, so if a current time is 12:30, it is going to wait for the 12:33. Okay, and then only it is going to stop the confetti, what can I say, the effect. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now I'll just say here the okay, so request animation frame, it's frame, and we have to give here the function name, which is rain. Okay, which is rain, this is rain. So let's just paste it here, and this is it. I hope this will work now. So we have to call this function as well. This function we have to call rain. So let's just call it here after this message. So close this, and now just save this file and refresh this page one more time, and I hope this will work now. So put here any string. Yeah, this is doing great. Put here combination of a number and a string. This is doing great. Put here -0. This is doing great. Put here negative number now. This is also doing great. And now put here the right number, the positive number, anything. I'll put here 3, and now hit the button. So you can see here as the next 3 positive numbers of the given number 3, 4, 5, 6, but we can't see the confetti effect. Okay, we can't see the confetti effect. Let's just go to the inspect. Okay, so you can see here there is an error here. There is an issue here. So math dot random. Okay, so it's origin. So origin particle count. Okay, so particle count is 3, angle is okay, spread is 80, start velocity is 20, gravity is 1, it's scalar. So scalar is also 1, is decay 0.94, its z index is also correct, origin okay, x. So okay, so this I'll just put here. Okay, so I might be confused between, okay, open and closing curly braces, because this is immediately invoked function. This is the immediately invoked function. Okay, so I might be confused in this only. So request animation frame. Okay, request animation frame. Okay, this is going to work like a loop. Okay, it will work. Okay, it will work like a loop for 3 seconds. Okay, this is it. Okay, so let's just put here math dot random. So I am its origin. So math dot random, it's correct, guys. Let's just put here a small m. I don't think there's any function with a small m. Okay, so it's math only, capital M, math dot random. Okay, so what is the issue here, guys? The issue is only here. So let's just put here 2. You can see here math dot random is not a function. So let me just okay, I can just give here instead of this math dot random, I'll just use here 0 point, okay, 2 only. So save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so now put here negative, I mean the positive number. See, boom, guys. Now we can see here the confetti effect. We can see, guys, here the confetti effect. But let me just resolve this issue, this math dot random issue. Okay, so let me just check here if it is capital R. Okay, if I think it is capital R. Okay, it's okay, guys. There is a spelling mistake. Okay, you can see here it's random. Okay, it's random, but it's random. Okay, put here M instead of N. Put here M. Okay, put here M. So now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Refresh the page and now put here the positive number 3. See, boom, guys. Now the issue is resolved. Now we don't have any issue. We don't have any problem. Okay, in our application, put here 30. See, boom, guys. You can see here. This is doing great. This is doing fantastic. Okay, we just put here equal to. See, please enter a valid number. Strings are not allowed. Let's just put here negative 0. See, negative 0 not allowed. Put here combination of number and string. See, not allowed. Put here negative number, not allowed. And let's just put here the positive number. See, boom, guys. We can see here, guys. Now the confetti effect is doing great. It is doing fantastic. Okay, and we can see the result as well. Here are the next 3 positive numbers of the given number 2, which is okay, which are 3, 4, 5. Okay, and just, guys, subscribe now my this channel Code with ER if you want to become a great and dynamic JavaScript developer in coming future, in near future, in 2026. Okay, so I hope, guys, you have learned something great, something cool, something dynamic from this video, from this session, and I hope you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER and you will press the bell icon as well. Okay, so I hope, guys, if you have any doubt, any query in this function, I explain you, I've given you the link as well, and I'll give the link in the description as well. You can just go there and you can just read the documentation. It is very simple, it is pretty straightforward. You can just give here the particle count, okay, the angle, the speed, the start velocity, the gravity, scalar, decay, z index, and the origin. Okay, we can give anything, anything. Okay, we can also do here as well. So math dot, I'll just say here random. Okay, and I can just multiply it by 100. Okay, so now just save the file and now refresh this page one more time and now see the effect if it is doing great or not. 32. So not, it is not doing great. So math dot random, and okay, it is a function. So now just save the file, have a look in the browser and now refresh the page. So put here positive number 33. I mean, okay, 43 it is. Yeah, so we can see here the confetti effect, but this is not looking cool. Okay, so let's just remove this, or let's just put here plus. Okay, plus 100 and see the effect, see the magic first. Okay, we can we are developer, we can do anything. Okay, you can see here, from here we can see the confetti effect. Okay, but it is here, we won't be able to see. Okay, let's just remove this and now put here. Yeah, now this looks cool. Okay, see, now this looks cool. Okay, let it be. Okay, so we can, guys, okay, do all the things. We are a developer, we are a coder. Okay, and this is the end of this video, guys. This is the end of this session. I hope, guys, you have learned something cool, something great, something from this video, from this session, and I hope you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also. you will like this video as well, and as well as you will share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now. See you guys.